Welcome back to my channel. My name is Teresa and this is Teresa's Crafty Cabana. Happy first day of fall, and I wanted to share with you this fun fall project I've been working on. This one is the other side of my Halloween tag album, and it's the fall side. So I have these fall pictures I've taken throughout the years up in the Blue Ridge Mountains in some of my favorite places. So I used my printer just to cut out some of those little images that would fit on my little tag album. And for this particular album, I wanted to make it so that each of the pages had, except for one page, I only had 8 pictures and there were 9 pages. So almost all of them had a picture, and then they all had some kind of a design element, and then maybe like a word or something that tied them all together. So that was kind of the goal I was going for when I was creating these pages, to make them look cohesive. I did want to mention that the music that I'm using for this video is music that my brother-in-law made. He plays guitar, he plays piano, he's super talented. Anyway, he has a YouTube channel, and if you like this music that's playing for this particular video, his name is Jason Thompson, and I will link his music YouTube channel below in the description box. Anyway, super proud of my brother-in-law. But back to the book here, I have this border that I've created to look almost like wheat fields. I did use some Distress mica sprays on this, and it gave it that shine. And then I cut them to look like little hills, and I held them next to each other so that each hill kind of connected to the next hill seamlessly. I added the little numbers to the bottom of it. You can see the backside, so I knew what order they went in, just in case they fell out of order, until I glued them down. And you can see I'm only gluing the outside edges so that if any of my elements need to tuck inside, I have that opened in the middle like a pocket. So here I'm just gonna go through and put my fall decorations on, and I'll just play some of my brother-in-law's music in the background. But I'll see you at the end when I've got some more things I'll share with you. So I'm coming down to the last two of these little pages, and I wanted to ask you, what's your favorite holiday or season to celebrate? So I did a poll recently, fall or Halloween, and majority of everybody is fall and not Halloween. So I think this one will maybe fall into most people's boxes of more favorite than a Halloween themed, but I do still like doing Halloween. A funny story, not funny, but a little background story. My mom, we grew up in a Catholic church, and we did not celebrate Halloween. And when I was in school, one of the things that we did in school were Halloween crafts, and I must have been in like second grade. My mom told me, we don't celebrate Halloween, you don't need to participate in those crafts. So I never participated in the crafts, but it was like a week-long thing that people were making these paper mache creatures or whatever it was that they decided to make for Halloween. So I asked my mom if I could make a ghost, because there was the Father, the Son, and the Holy Ghost. So I told her it would be a really cute ghost, the cutest ghost she's ever seen, and it's not going to be spooky, and she actually let me do it. So and I think that, and the fact that I know that Halloween is what I make it, not what, I don't celebrate spooky or creepy Halloween, but I do like cute Halloween, and I think that sparked my joy for making Halloween crafts. So it kind of goes way back, but I really do enjoy it. It's super fun for me. So whatever your story is, I totally understand if Halloween is not your thing. I'm not trying to push Halloween on anybody for sure. But here is my completed tag. The finished pictures are in there, and the little elements and designs and the little words on all of them. I had so much fun making this, and I think it turned out so cute. I think all the colors just go together. I loved the stamping for this, and I hope you enjoyed watching. So if you liked this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will have another video where I show how I made all the elements in this mini album for the fall site. So stay tuned for that, and happy crafting.